Lubbock Cooper Middle School, English, grade 7, first semester, and Unit 3 Connections Across Literary Text, 2016-2017. Number 1. The imagery in paragraph 2 creates a feeling of A. Security, B. Danger, C. Carelessness, D. Indifference. Number 2. Jenna's thoughts in paragraph 4 show that she F. is reluctant to visit her dad, G. wants her mother to allow her to make her own decisions, H. is trying to figure out a way to learn how to dive and see her dad, J. has been waiting eagerly to visit her dad. Number 3. In paragraph 7, the word budge means A. swell, B. shove, C. remove, D. change. Number 4. Which sentence from the story provides the best evidence that Jenna feels sympathetic towards her father? F. I loved my father, but the thought of a whole summer away from my friends seemed more like a prison sentence than a vacation. G. I waited a few days, but school was about to end and I needed to let him know I wasn't coming. H. Since the divorce, he had tried to sound okay on the phone, but I could always sense the sadness in his voice. J. I remember the fall and I feel safe. Number 5. Jenna's conflict develops when A. Jenna determines that she wants to learn how to dive over the summer. B. Jenna remembers jumping into piles of leaves that her father raked for her. C. Jenna decides she must tell her father that she will not be visiting this summer. D. Jenna learns that change is not always negative. Number 6. Which line from the poem best suggests that the speaker's situation is unwelcomed? F. Then there were 4. G. The addition felt like a subtraction. H. It took exactly 3 months. J. The new life we rocked. Number 7. Read the following line from the poem. Now we meant more dinner plates, more chores. The poet includes these lines most likely to suggest that the speaker, A. is tired and sleepy, B. would rather be playing outside, C. is not happy to have additional responsibility, D. would like to have more household duties. Number 8. The imagery in lines 21 through 22 help the reader understand F. what the speaker thinks about chores, G. the shift in the speaker's attitude, H. why the speaker is upset, J. the speaker's loneliness. Number 9. What is the most likely reason that the poet uses repetition in lines 8 through 9 and 17 through 18? A. To characterize the speaker's definition of family. B. To show the speaker's excitement about the change in the family. C. To stress the speaker's expectations for the future. D. To highlight the unexpected nature of the speaker's dilemma. Number 10. The poet reveals the speaker's feelings mainly by F. using personification to describe them, G. explaining their effect on others, H. using similes to describe them, J. connecting them to mathematical values. Use and fall leaves and home to answer questions 11 through 15. Number 11. One difference between Jenna in the story and the speaker in the poem is that Jenna, A, prefers the home of her youth, B, is reluctant to accept new people into the family, C, is hesitant to spend time with her dad in a new environment, D, feels disconnected from the changing state of her family. Number 12. Read this line from the poem. The addition felt like Abe's subtraction. Which sentence from the story relates a similar idea? F. I knew how much he missed me and how he hated living so far away. G. I love my father, but the thought of a whole summer away from my friends seemed more like a prison sentence than a vacation. H. I waited a few days, but school was about to end and I needed to let him know I wasn't coming. J. There was always an undercurrent of loneliness. Number 13. Which line from the poem best expresses a similarity to Jenna's feelings at the end of the story? A. Us plus one more. B. The family formerly known as we. C. It took exactly 3 months. D. It only multiplies. 14. Jenna in Fall Leaves and the speaker in Home, both F, recognize their shortcomings. G, struggle making adjustments in life. H, want their families to appreciate them. J, feel disconnected from their families. Number 15. What lesson does the speaker of the poem and Jenna from the story learn? Provide evidence from both selections in your answer. In the next section of the test, you will read a passage and answer revising and editing questions. I am not able to read the questions or answer choices to you. Good luck.